In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate image in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Grok website, log in, get to the Imagine section, describe what you want, enter your prompt, and press enter to create your image. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, with tips to help you get great results the first time. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official Grok website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before you continue, and give the page a moment to load fully. A stable internet connection helps here, especially since images can take a little bandwidth to generate. Next, log in on your account. Look for the sign-in option and enter your usual credentials securely. If you use two-factor authentication, have that handy. Keep your login details private and avoid signing in on public or shared devices if you can. Once you're in, click Imagine. This is the area dedicated to image generation. You might see it labeled as an Imagine tab, a button, or a section in the sidebar depending on the layout. When you open it, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Now, describe the image you want Grok to generate. The clearer your description, the better the results. Think about the subject, the setting, the style, and the mood. For example, instead of saying a city, try a rainy cyberpunk city street at night, neon reflections on wet pavement, cinematic lighting. You can include details like camera angles, colors, time of day, or art styles if that matters for your vision. If it helps, imagine you're describing the picture to a friend who can't see it. Be precise but natural. Enter your prompts, then press enter. After you submit, give Grok a moment to process your request. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your wording and press enter again. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Add a specific color, change the mood, or clarify the subject. You don't need to rewrite everything, just adjust the parts that need more direction. That's it. Open the Grok website, log in, click Imagine, describe your image clearly, enter your prompt, and press enter. With thoughtful descriptions and a bit of iteration, you'll get images that match your vision. If you find something that works especially well, save that phrasing so you can reuse it later. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Grok AI.